If you are a Macintosh user, the first thing that we need to install is Homebrew, which is a package manager for Macintosh. The way to do it is really simple. You just copy this command, paste it in your terminal, type a password, and here you go. Soon enough you should have it on your system. What it enables us to do is very similar to what Node Package Manager, for example, allows us to do. It simply enables us to download software packages in a very simple and convenient manner. So we will see how to do that in a minute when we install Node. And we install Node simply by typing brew install Node. And soon enough we should have it on our system. And here we go, and we can test it by typing node -- version, and we get version 8.7, which is the latest version. Great. Also, as by default, when you download Node package, you also get npm package. And here we go, we get version 5.4.2. The next package to install is geth, and we do so by first typing brew tap ethereum /ethereum. What it does, it kind of makes a link in our system to the Ethereum package. And then we can install the actual package by typing brew install Ethereum. This might take a bit more time than the Node package installation, so let me get back to you once it's finished. Alright, so geth has been installed and we can test it by typing geth version. And we can see that we have version 1.7.2. Great. Let's move on. The next step is to download and install test_rpc. And we do so by typing npm install -g ethereum.js test_rpc. It should be quick. And we should have it in a minute. Yeah, we have. So we can even start a RPC node right here. We can see some accounts that were created for us, the private keys of these accounts. So everything works. And finally, we install Truffle by typing npm install -g Truffle. And we test that it works. We can see the commands, the version number. So this is it. That's all the installation steps.